Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. I hope that you all are doing well in this situation. Today, I Richa Parekh am here to further continue with the subject of English for the students of class 5th. My dear students, in the last lecture, we completed activity number 6. So today, we are going to start with activity number 7 of unit number 6, that is our national flag. Let's see activity number 7. Rewrite the following sentences in the active form. The example over here is given. The national flag should be preserved carefully. So the active form is we should preserve the national flag carefully. So here we need to change the subject part of the sentence and turn the sentence into an active format. So here the questions which are given is already in the passive form. So let's see the first one. The best colored picture will be displayed on the soft board. So here the sentence, the object part of the sentence is best colored picture and on the soft board. So here the sentence will be converted into we will display the best colored picture on the soft board. The flag is hoisted by government official. So here the sentence will be the government official hoist the flag. Let's see the third one. A torn flag should not be hoisted. So here in order to turn the sentence into active, we will write we should not hoist a torn flag. The fourth one is it is hoisted on all government buildings. The answer will be we hoist it on all government buildings. So dear students, you need to write this in your fed book. Let's see activity number 8. Sujal wants to make sandwich. Here are the instructions. Read them. So here the instructions in order to how to make a sandwich is given. Take a slice of a bread, spread butter on the slice of the bread or grease it with olive oil. Make a mint or a coriander paste. Grind a bunch of mint or coriander leaves, a little ginger, green chilies, pepper, salt and little juice of lemon or tamarind juice. Spread the chutney on the butter slice. Mix together the smashed potato, chopped red onions, chilies, chopped tomatoes and cucumber. Spread this mixture on the bread slice. Cover it with another chutney layer. Slice. Grill it or toast. Serve it with a ketchup. So here the topic is how to write that if let's make a national food. You may discuss it with your classmate. Now imagine you are making a recipe of a national food. Share a recipe with your friend. So dear students, here this is what you don't need to write in the fair book. This is just an activity part. So once we get back to our normal school, we will write this activity, we will solve this activity with the entire class. So dear students, here we are at the end of this video. In the very next class, we will be solving activity number 9 and activity number 10. Till then, stay at your home and stay safe. Thank you.